Your immune system weakens every year after 60, but 5 simple daily habits can rebuild it, starting today.
No supplements. No prescriptions.
Just habits doctors actually recommend. I'm covering all 5 in the next few minutes, and habit number 4 is the one almost nobody talks about, even though it might matter the most. Here's the quick science. After 60, your body produces fewer new immune cells, and the ones you have respond more slowly to threats. This is called immunosenescence. It's a normal part of aging, but it's also why seniors get sick more often, take longer to recover, and are more vulnerable to infections. The good news? Research shows lifestyle habits can meaningfully slow this decline. Let's get into exactly what to do. Habit number 1 is something you're probably already doing, but maybe not enough of it. Doctors recommend 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep, because your immune system does critical repair work while you sleep, including producing infection-fighting proteins called cytokines. Chronic poor sleep has been linked to weaker immune response and slower healing. If you struggle with sleep, keep a consistent bedtime, limit screens an hour before bed, and keep your room cool and dark. Habit 2 isn't about what you eat, it's about something even simpler. Many seniors don't feel thirsty as often as they used to, but dehydration directly affects your lymphatic system, which carries immune cells throughout your body. Doctors recommend at least 6 to 8 cups of water daily, more if you're active. A simple trick: keep a water bottle visible on your kitchen counter as a reminder, since forgetting to drink is the most common reason seniors fall short. Habit 3 might be the most enjoyable one on this list. You don't need intense exercise. Doctors recommend just 20 to 30 minutes of moderate movement daily, like walking. Studies show regular moderate activity increases circulation of immune cells, helping your body detect and respond to threats faster. The key word is moderate. Overexercising can actually suppress immunity temporarily, so a daily walk is often better than occasional intense workouts. Now here's habit number 4, the one most people completely overlook. Chronic stress raises cortisol levels, and prolonged high cortisol actually suppresses immune function over time. This is huge for seniors, because stress from health worries, isolation, or life changes can quietly wear down your immune system without you realizing it. Doctors recommend daily stress management practices. Even just 10 minutes of deep breathing, prayer, meditation, or a calming hobby can lower cortisol and support immune health. This habit doesn't get enough attention, but it's just as important as diet or exercise. And finally, habit 5, one you can start literally today. Doctors recommend filling your plate with colorful fruits and vegetables, bell peppers, berries, leafy greens, citrus, because they're rich in vitamins C and E, zinc, and antioxidants that directly support immune cell function. You don't need to overhaul your entire diet. Just aim to add 1 extra colorful food to each meal, and over time, this adds up to real immune support. Let's quickly recap all 5 before you go. So the 5 doctor-recommended habits are: prioritize deep sleep, stay hydrated, move your body daily, manage stress actively, and eat colorful nutrient-dense foods. None of these require a prescription or a big lifestyle overhaul, just small, consistent choices. One quick note: if you have a chronic condition or take immune-affecting medication, always check with your doctor before making significant changes to diet or activity levels. Comment immune if you're going to start with one of these habits today. And if this helped you, hit subscribe. I share doctor-recommended health habits like this every week, made simple for life after 60.